Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore with Muniraj, and now we are going to print a new problem statement in this Python programming series, that is nothing but program to reverse a number in this Python. That is, first, in a normal way we are going to take input from this user, that is nothing but suppose 1 2 3. Now we are going to reverse a number like as 3 to 1. In this format we are going to write a program in this Python. So now let first basic step is take input from this user. As we know that how we take input from this user in this general format, we are going to take input from this user, enter a number. Now we are going to mm, reverse a number. First of all, use this while loop, while num greater than 0. So why, so you have a doubt here, why not for loop? So as we know that for loop is used for only when the range is defined. Like an example, for loop has some boundaries from 0 to something as 10 20. It has some boundaries, but while loop does not have any boundaries. That is the reason why we are going to use a while loop. While num greater than 0, if user enter number greater than 0, then the code execute in this while loop. First of all, let me write a code and after that I will explain. For suppose we are going to use digit is equals to that num model 10, and here we have to specify a variable, that is nothing but reverse is equals to 0, is nothing but initialization of a reverse variable, and we are going to use that reverse is equals to mm, reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus we are going to add that digit. We are going to add that digit. Now we are going to print. Before that we have to store this variable num in a separate variable, that is nothing but temp is equals to num. We have to store that variable in a temporary variable. That why we use it that temp is equals to num. Now as usual we know that num is equals to num floor 10. I will explain this all steps when we run to the program. Please wait till end. Now we are going to print that reverse. So let us run this program, and after that I will explain the code how it works. We are going to see the cases of this program, how really it works. So first of all, it asks that enter a number. Let us enter 1 2 3. So what does it really gives? We have entered any wrong number here. Okay, sorry. Now let us again run this program. What do we get as a output? So let's run this program. What do we get as a? Okay, now let's run this program. What does the output look like? It asks that enter a number. Let us enter 1 2 3, and the output it returns is 3 2 1. We have entered a number 1 2 3. It reverses the number 3 2 1. So now for better way we are going to print in a different manner. The reverse of num, the reverse of 5 to 1 is particular value. Now again let's run this program for clear vision. So to print. So let's again run this program. What does the output get? Like an example, enter 5 to 1. So the reverse of 5 to 1 is nothing but 1 to 5. In this format we are going to print the reversing of a number in this Python programming language. So now let me try to explain this program. See how this reversing a number program really works. As we know that this is the code for the reversing a number, and let's perform with a test case. Actually we know that the user entered number is nothing but 123. By using this code, as we know that 123 is greater than 0, it means that the condition is the true. Now we know that digit is equals to num modulo 10. As we know that 123 modulo 10, where modulus always returns a remainder, it means that you will get a 12.3. From that you will extract 3, and we have defined another variable reverse is equals to 0, and 0 into 10 plus 3 is equals to, as we know that the reverse value updated to the 3 value, and num is equals to num floor 10. It means that 12.3. Actually we are doing the floor division. Floor
always gives the coefficient without the decimal point. It means that it gives the digits before the decimal point. From this you will get a 12. Again we know that 12 is greater than 0. The condition is the true, and digit is equals to 12 modulo 10. From that you will get a 1.2, and here you will extract the remainder, that is nothing but a 2, where reverse is equals to, reverse value is updated as the 3 from the test case, and you will get that 3 into 10 plus 2 is equals to 32, and num is equals to 12 modulus 10. You will get a 1.2, and floor division always returns, that is the number before the decimal point. From this you will get as a 1, and again where 1 greater than 2, the condition is the true, and you will get again with similar condition 1 modulo 10 is equals to 0.1. From this you will, the modulus always remains the remainder, and you will extract the 1, where reverse is equals to 32 into 10 plus 1, where from this you will get a 321. But as you know that num is equals to 1, where num is equals to num floor 10. From this 1 floor 10 you will get a 0.1, but actually floor always gives the number before the decimal point. From this you will get a 0, but 0 greater than 0, is it true? It is the false, right? Where the loop ends, and you will finally get a reversing a number as 321, where 123 is reversed as 321. This is the format how the actual code works. We try for different examples. This is the similar way how it works. And thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please go through the comment section.